So look, if you're watching this video, I'm right now on the boat, as you can see over here, right? But what is the main point of this thing? The main point is that if you are watching this video and if you want to get the results with affiliate marketing and having the results online, right? Earning huge commissions, having this laptop lifestyle and traveling around the world, as you can see over here, right? On private trips, then what you should do is you should reach out to me after watching this video. Why? Because we are not just promoting any clickbait products. What we are doing is we are basically helping people one-on-one to choose the right offer for them so that they can promote the offer, they can promote the products online that people really buying, right? Like you can spend lots of money on ads, you can promote YouTube, you can use YouTube ads, Google ads, but in the case if let's say that your accounts get shut down, you have no option to make money online, right? You have no options. You have no email list, you have no assets at all. So if you're watching this video and if you want to get the results online with affiliate marketing, right? Promoting products, either ClickBank or any other affiliate product that we are making money with huge commissions every single day, from $500 to $2,000 commissions every single day, paid straight into your account, then what you should do is right now click the links below this video and reach out to me, because I will send you my personal message after watching this video, and then I will reach out to you, you can reach out to me, and if you want to work together with me and have the results, have this laptop lifestyle traveling the world, then what you should do is just click the link below this video, reach out to me, and I will personally help you to mentor you the results so that you can have this kind of life as you can see over here behind me, right? So cheers to you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips.